Hi, and welcome to the lesson on similar figures, part 1. In this lesson, you will watch a video, complete think-up pages, and then at the end, you will complete a Google form that tells your teacher where you go on the pathway. For this part, you will need think-up page 80. Also have a pencil and use a highlighter or color pencil to highlight important words and information. Let's start with some important vocabulary. Similar figures. Two figures are similar if they have the same shape but different sizes. Matching sides of two or more polygons are called corresponding sides, and matching angles are called corresponding angles. If two figures are similar, then the measure of the corresponding angles are equal to the ratios of the lengths of the corresponding sides are proportional. Let's start with page 80. Let's compare the smaller quadrilateral ABCD to the larger quadrilateral EFGH. Let's record each ratio in the space provided. AB to EF is going to be 11 to 110. DA to HE is going to be 8 to 80. AB to CD is going to be 11 to 4. And EF to GH is going to be 110 to 40. Notice that AB to EF and DA to HE are equivalent because both simplify to 110. The ratios AB to CD and EF to GH are also equivalent because both simplify to 11 over 4. When ratios of the corresponding sides between two figures are equivalent, like AB to EF and DA to HE, these figures are similar because their sides are proportional. When comparing between figures, please make sure you compare each side of the figures to determine and make sure that they are actually similar. Another way to determine if two figures are similar is to determine the corresponding side lengths within each figure, like AB to CD and EF to GH. If the ratios are equivalent, then those figures are similar. You can also compare the corresponding angles. M, the measure of angle B, is equal to the measure of angle F. The measure of angle C corresponds with the measure of angle G. The measure of angle D is congruent to the measure of angle H. Now let's try it on your own. Number 1, which pairs of angles are congruent? Pause the video and answer the question. We know that the measures of angle A is congruent to the measure of angle D. We also know that the measure of angle B is congruent to the measure of angle E, and the measure of angle C is congruent to the measure of angle F. Number 2, one proportional relationship within the figures is AB to BC and DE to EF. What is another proportional relationship within the figures? Pause the video and answer the question. Welcome back. Another proportional relationship within the figure is going to be AC to BC and DF to EF. Now, let's compare proportional relationships between the figures, like AB to DE and BC to EF. What is another proportional relationship between the figures? Pause the video and answer the question. Welcome back. Another proportional relationship between the figures is going to be AC to BC and DF to EF. Don't forget to complete part 2 of this similar figures video and then complete the pre-assessment when you're done.